Okay, so we're here right now in GCash. So usually you would send money through send. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video I'll be showing you how you can send money from GCash to PayMaya. So GCash and PayMaya are both Filipino. They're both Filipino e-wallets or online banking where you can store in money as well as send money online as well as pay loads and other financial stuff that you can do through it. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can send money from a GCash account to a PayMaya or its current name Maya. So first of all, let's head over to GCash. It should be in the G's. Wait, I thought that was a G. That's just a 9. This one. So here we are. I'm opening GCash now. Okay, so we're here right now in GCash. So usually you would send money through send or through QR, but for something like Maya, it's considered another banking. So you have to go here on transfer. And afterwards, you go here on view all. Then you scroll down until you find Maya. Here, this one, the Maya wallet. And then you just put in here the amount that you want to send, the name of the account that you want to send to, the account number or the mobile number of the Maya account that you want to send to, and then there's an optional receipt. After which, you will be charged with 15 pesos fee. And once you're done with filling all these details, you just need to click on send money and you should be done. That's it. That is how you can send money or transfer money from GCash to PayMaya. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.